Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm in the Piedmont Monferrato town of Canelli. Canelli is famous for one thing, wine. It's particularly noted for its asti spumante and its barbera. In fact, it has UNESCO status and is a World Heritage Site. Not bad. The town is completely on hills, and so it's well protected from any wind from the south, from the coast, and so it has a great local climate and is a really vibrant place. It was first established by the Ligurians when they moved north, and then it was overthrown by the Romans. Now, you might ask, what have the Romans ever done for us? Well, I can tell you, they've left us with a great town because it's full of great restaurants, wineries, cafes, bars. It really is a great place to be. Even geographically, it's great because we're in easy distance of Alba and the Barolo area. It's easy for Nizza Monferrato, another important wine town. It's easy to get to the coast from here, to Torino, Milano. It's great geographically. So the reason I'm here today is to show you a beautiful house that's come up for sale up in the hills about 15 minutes from here. It's a stone house built in the 1800s, fully restored, and it is absolutely beautiful. Everything's been done really well. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, swimming pool, fantastic views, indoor pizza oven, a gorgeous kitchen. And it's a great investment opportunity because you can use it as a private home, of course, but also you have the opportunity to rent it. There's a big demand for properties being rented weekly. So let's do a tour of the property and we'll meet back here. So here we are at the property, and keep in mind that it is still winter. And even though we've got the blue sky, the scenery is not as vibrant as it will be in the spring, summer, autumn, but still very beautiful. You can see this fantastic view. You've got this lovely swimming pool, and it is covered here, but look on the website for photographs of when it's open. Beautiful outside dining area. The White House next door is a neighbour, but very nice people, I'm told. You can see it has this beautiful courtyard. It all belongs to the house. And here's the rear of the house, and here's where you really start to see the quality of the restoration, because you can see the ancient brick and the stonework there. Excuse my car smoking away there. It hadn't been used for a couple of months and the battery was flat, so it was there charging itself up. Maybe the front could do with painting. Personally, I would paint it, but that would be a personal choice. And we enter into the house, and we're confronted with this gorgeous staircase, and then into this beautiful room. And as I say, pay attention to the detail as we go around, and you'll really be impressed because these beautiful ceilings, everything been done very meticulously, and all the choice of all the furnishings as well, very beautiful. Everything done with real taste. So that's the first living room. There is another one. And then from this room we go into the beautiful kitchen, and it really is a chef's kitchen, I think. You've got lots of work surface. You've got 2 sinks, a porcelain one here we're coming up to, and the stainless steel. These beautiful marble surfaces and the brilliant brickwork and stone mixed in. Something really beautiful. And then from the kitchen we come into this beautiful dining room. You'll notice the pizza oven on the right there. We'll come back to that in a moment. But look at this gorgeous brickwork. Again, everything's been done really well, with the beautiful lights there as well to highlight. It looks beautiful in the evening, even more so. Nice mixture of plastered walls and bare brick and stone. And here we have the pizza oven. Now, I love to make pizza. We like to challenge friends in summer to come over and make pizza. And here you can prepare it indoors. You've got everything you need here, this big stone oven. And that's the dining room. As you can see, it's ample space to seat many people. So if you're running it as a business, or you can join the tables together and have all your friends over, a great place to meet with family and enjoy these beautiful details. And then just by this we have a WC. Again, all immaculate. And next to this is a bathroom with shower. You've got the washing machine in here as well. This big hand basin, porcelain hand basin. Again, all beautifully done. Excuse the flickering, it's just a conflict with the speed of the camera and the lights, but in real life you don't see that. And then connected to this is another little sitting room. And then from here we enter into this second living space. Living room, again beautiful brick vaulted ceilings, all plastered in here. Fireplace. Then we come up this beautiful staircase, ancient staircase, to the nighttime area and the terrace. Ahead of us here we have the first of the bathrooms, and you can see it's very similar to the one downstairs, beautifully done and all presented in immaculate condition. The owners actually used it as a private accommodation, but also do occasionally rent the property. And here's the first of the bedrooms, all good sizes, again all beautifully finished. It's the second of the bathrooms, again with a shower and a hand basin. And then another slightly smaller bedroom. This one faces the back of the house. And then at the end of the hallway we come to this big beautiful terrace, and it has a wonderful view. And again it's presented in immaculate condition. So it's a perfect dining place in the spring, summer, autumn, and this beautiful view. And you can see the Alps when it's clear. A little bit overcast on this day. You can see it has the hob, sink, and also there's a barbecue there as well, and also outside furniture. Back through the hallway again, and we come to another bedroom, as with the others, all beautifully presented. And then opposite this bedroom, we've got this very useful storage room. Has a wine fridge in there, but also for towels and bedding and other such things. Very handy space. And then the fifth bedroom. Quite a large room, perfect for parents and baby. A good family room, again nice sized. This one is facing the front of the house. And here's some drone shots of the property. Again, I'm going to say it again. Remember, this is winter. So if it looks good in winter, you can imagine how good it looks through spring, summer and autumn. Very, very beautiful. Close proximity to Canelli. And as I said in my introduction, it's a great wine town, nice friendly place. We find people there always very friendly. Need to mention as well, as you probably just may have spotted, it has solar panels as well. So there is some energy comes from the solar panels. And as I say, I think the only thing I would do is paint the front. But apart from that, it's ready to go. But you might like that. That would be up to you. So there you have it. What do you think? The price is in the description below and more information. There's a link also to my website, so there's photographs and every detail about the property. Just get in touch if you want more information or if you want to arrange to come and view the property. And like I said before, this is a great investment opportunity because Canelli is a really popular tourist town and it's just getting bigger and bigger every year, more and more popular. So people are coming here, they need places to stay. It's a great place to stay because of all the things I mentioned, the wines, the foods, the fantastic weather. I mean, look at this, this is February. And we've got beautiful blue skies. It really is a beautiful place. So if you want to view it or need more information, click the link below, get in touch. I'd love to hear from you. Any questions, any comments? Tell me in the comments section what you thought of the property. And don't forget to click that like button and please subscribe if you haven't already because it really helps the channel and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you. Now the next video we're doing is of a house in a beautiful town, actually one of my favorite towns in Piedmont. And the house is beside a castle and it's for just under 110,000 euros and you're going to love this one. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one and I look forward to seeing you in that video. Bye for now.